Solidity. Solidity is an object-oriented, high-level programming language used for the creation of smart contracts on the Ethereum platform. But what does object-oriented and high-level in relation to programming actually mean? Well, an object-oriented language refers to a programming language that is built on the concepts of organizing programs around reusable data, or objects. This model allows programmers to build software in manageable and reusable chunks as opposed to extremely lengthy sequential code. Mainstream object-oriented programming languages used outside of the Ethereum platform include the likes of C++, C#, JavaScript, Java, Python, and Ruby. And what about high-level? Well, a high-level language, or HLL, is a programming language that enables a programmer to write programs that are more or less device-agnostic. Such languages are considered high-level because they are closer to human languages than their low-level counterparts, the latter of which include machine and assembly languages, typically written in binary or hexadecimal code. In fact, Solidity itself was influenced by popular high-level languages, including C++, Python, and JavaScript.